In the fast-paced world of automotive innovation, the 2024 Renault Clio stands out as a true masterpiece, representing the latest evolution of France's beloved best-selling car. Having achieved staggering success with over 1.1 million units sold in the UK, the new Clio emerges as a testament to Renault's commitment to redefining the driving experience. In this UK edition review, we delve into the performance, design, and cutting-edge features that make the 2024 Renault Clio a standout choice for discerning drivers. The 2024 Renault Clio's exterior undergoes a dramatic transformation, embodying Renault's new design language. The assertive front end, characterized by taut lines and signature LED lighting, exudes a sporty elegance that sets the stage for a remarkable driving experience. Under the hood, the Clio offers an electrified drivetrain, showcasing Renault's prowess in hybrid technology. The petrol/electric hybrid delivers a robust 145 horsepower, providing a powerful yet efficient performance with a remarkable range of up to 550 miles. Emitting as little as 96 g/km of CO2 and achieving up to 67.3 miles per gallon combined, WLTP, the Clio embraces sustainability without compromising performance. Equipped with up to 17 advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including adaptive cruise control and blind spot warning, the Clio prioritizes safety. This infusion of technology, typically found in larger vehicles, enhances the driving experience and underscores Renault's commitment to innovation. Step inside, and the Clio continues to impress with a chic and sustainable interior. The use of TEP, a bio-sourced and recycled material, replaces leather, reflecting Renault's dedication to eco-friendly design. The interior design mirrors the exterior's sophistication, creating a harmonious and welcoming space for both driver and passengers. Despite its modernized design and upgraded features, the Clio maintains its compact size, emphasizing Renault's dedication to building more sustainable and distinctive cars without sacrificing the practicality that made the previous model successful. The new Velar logo and signature lighting add a touch of timeless elegance to the Clio's exterior. The inclusion of aerodynamic elements, inspired by Renault's motorsports legacy, ensures not just style but also enhanced performance. The Esprit Alpine trim takes the Clio's intensity to new heights, seamlessly blending Renault's modern style with the sporting hallmarks of the Alpine brand. Exclusive design elements, bespoke seats, and a focus on sustainability define this top-tier trim. The 2024 Renault Clio offers two highly efficient powertrains, including the innovative E-Tech full hybrid 145. This technology, influenced by Renault's Formula One expertise, ensures dynamic yet efficient performance, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The Clio's cutting-edge digital platform, Renault EasyLink multimedia system, and up to 17 driver assistance systems deliver a connected and intuitive driving experience. The integration of wireless smartphone connectivity and a wireless phone charger enhances convenience and accessibility. Renault offers three trim levels: Evolution, Techno, and Esprit Alpine, each generously equipped with advanced features. With a starting price of £17,795 on the road, the Clio provides a range of options, from the Evolution's digital instrument display to the top-tier Esprit Alpine's adaptive cruise control and blind spot warning. The 2024 Renault Clio stands at the forefront of automotive innovation, combining style, sustainability, and performance in a harmonious blend. As it graces UK roads, the Clio not only pays homage to its rich heritage, but also propels Renault into the future of driving excellence.